So today I will be explaining the the structural design pattern. So begin with messy legacy code base. No, so it's typically a modular media streaming, modular media streaming suite that supports multimedia sources. On-fly plugins, composite playlists, runtime switching, rendering strategy, and remote proxy to catch streams. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a refactor and then extend a structural using structural patterns, I mean, and then document reasoning and show it working. So we have here our architecture overview at ang code ato ang media, no? So um we have a playlist called media, and then we have a render, source, and our strategy we used to implement for our structural design pattern. No, no. At first, we have our controller. So why controller? No. So it uses strategy as a playback. No, as a playback controller for our uh, music playlist. No, that's one of its purpose. And then in playlists that Java, in playlists that Java, yeah, playlists that Java. It represents as a collection of media items. And then, just like sa atong kini media item, itong media item, kini media item, it represents as a collection of media items. It represents a one file. It represents one file or song or music. And then, ang purpose of itong rendering is how media content is displayed, no? Or paano siya ipi-play, no? And we have naabot tayong mga equalizer diri, equalizer, release component, no, basic renderer. So its simple purpose is um how a music is being output, no, or it could be showing a video when the music is played, or equalizer, watermark, or mga subtitles, mga ganun. And then the next is we have our source. We have our source, no, watermark, and source. Atong source is its purpose is how to handle the media. I mean where the media comes from. So no, it's typically like kung asa ang iyang source, no, from the word source. Kung asa ang iyang file gikan or asa niya kwaon. It could be a URL, links, or sa mga streams, no? Or just like mga local file, no? Media source, remote API, or remote proxy source. And then sa itong strategy is it implements this strategy design pattern, letting the system dynamically switch between different rendering algorithms or methods. So it defines as a common interface. Kay mao man atong it is the way we use, no, to render the overall process of media. And it simply is it simply means that strategy is selects the rendering It's kumbaga gina-select niya ang rendering methods, no, dynamically kay kuan man pabalin pa line-line man, no. So mao na siya. And as we've shown, no, sa ato strategy, hardware strategy, no, natay strategy, and class hardware rendering and print GPU rendering. So it simply means that you can easily change how rendering is done and without modifying the core system simply by swapping this strategy objects. Okay, then just like the four, this is what's the four media uh, media processing is being made. Kaya nga siya pag buhat guys. I mean pag sa pag-process sa atong source code. Okay? Then yeah, that is it. And sa atong rendering, local file source. Media item. Media item. So, yes, sa itong media item, we have a public void play, which is used to play the media. Then return name. Then playlist Java. This could be a array lists of our media or music or a song. Playlist component. Then pag render, there's the rendering strategy niya is gonna natin basic, equalizer decorator, renderer decorator, subtitle decorator, and watermark decorator. This is basically what we use, no, as a strategy pattern to further improve the media and the music play, no. And pagkasunod-sunod sa ato ang music playlist, no. You also have the stream source, local file, asa siya gikan or asa nato siya gikuha. Then we have also a strategy, of course. So, and controller, guys, natin controller. Controller, okay. Yeah, asa tong controller? Playback controller. So from the world playback, it could be a switching between rendering strategy. So that's it, guys. So, so that's it, guys, and thank you.